Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from raw milk. First, gently heat your raw milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for denaturing proteins and eliminating unwanted bacteria, creating a clean slate for your yogurt culture. Stir frequently to prevent scorching and ensure even heating. A good quality thermometer is essential for precise temperature management during this initial phase. After heating, cool the milk down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for the beneficial bacteria in your yogurt culture to thrive. Once cooled, add your chosen yogurt starter. You can use a store-bought plain yogurt with live active cultures, or a specialized yogurt starter packet. Gently stir it in until it's fully incorporated, ensuring an even distribution of the culture throughout the milk. Now it's time for incubation. Transfer your cultured milk to an insulated container or a yogurt maker. Maintain a consistent temperature between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it incubate for 4 to 8 hours, or even longer for a thicker, tangier yogurt. The longer the incubation, the more lactic acid is produced, resulting in a firmer set and more pronounced flavor. Once your yogurt has reached the desired consistency, it's time to chill it. Place the yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This step halts the culturing process and allows the yogurt to firm up even further. Store your delicious homemade raw milk yogurt in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Enjoy your fresh, probiotic-rich creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.